To connect to your platform, click on the Connect Wallet button and select your wallet provider. If you don't have any wallet extension yet, we recommend you to download Metamask. For this, go to metamask.io and select the extension compatible with your browser. Follow the instruction to create your wallet. Now that you have created your Metamask wallet, come back to the Blockboosted app. Click on Connect Wallet and select Metamask. Select your account on the pop-up, click Next, then Connect. To authenticate you, we need you to sign a message with your wallet. Just click on Accept and sign the message on the Metamask pop-up. Perfect, you're now fully authenticated and connected to Blockboosted. Finally, you should switch to one of our supported networks. Just click on Switch to BNB Smart Chain and confirm on Metamask. It will automatically add the network to Metamask and switch to it. If your wallet provider doesn't support this feature, you can still add the network by hand and switch manually to it. And that's it, you're ready to use Blockboosted. Don't forget to fill your wallet with some crypto, send some BNB and any BEP20 tokens you want to your address from another wallet or from any exchange, and you're ready to go. Don't forget, if you make a withdrawal from an exchange to your wallet, make sure that you select the right network, so here, BNB Smart Chain.